Hello there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. Welcome to today's class. So today we are looking at similarity and congruence. Okay, paper 2 kinds of questions. These are the questions we're dealing with. So thank you very much. So today we'll focus on how you are supposed to answer these questions. So question 1 says the triangles below are similar. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. So given that PR is equals to 8 centimeters, PQ is equals to 16 centimeters, then angle QPR is equals to angle YXZ is equals to 50. Calculate the length of XY. So XY corresponds to PQ. Okay, this is why I've written PQ. Then which is equals to XZ. Okay, XZ. Okay, which corresponds to PR. So we equate for us to find for XY. So in this particular case, we're going to substitute. Okay, so we're going to substitute. What we have is, we don't know XY. Okay, we know that PQ is 16 according to the diagram above. Then XZ is 4. Then PR is what? 8. So hence when we work out this, so we're going to have XY over 16. So we can reduce this. So 4 into 4 is 1. Then 4 into 8, this is just 2. So when we cross multiply, okay, we cross multiply. So we're going to have X 2 multiplied by XY. This is, we're just going to have 2XY, which is equals to 16. Okay, so for us to find the value of XY, we divide both sides by 2, and this and this will cancel. So we're going to have our XY is just going to be equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, sorry for the handwriting. Okay, so this is basically our answer. So this is 8 centimeters. Okay, we move on to question 2. It says the triangles below are similar. Okay, so this triangle is similar to this one. Okay, so the question says, given that PQ is equals to 18 centimeters, QR is equals to 12, is equals to 120 centimeters, and XY is equals to 30 centimeters. Calculate the length of WY. So this is not supposed to be, QR is 20. Okay, not 120, but supposed to be 20. Okay, so for us to calculate for this question, okay, we write our equation. Okay, what we want to find in this particular case is PQ over which is equals to q r over x y. So this corresponds with this corresponds with that. So in this particular case, we're now going to substitute. So PR or PQ is equals to 18. Then WY is equals to 20. Then XY is equals to 30. Okay. From there we are now going to cross the equal sign. Okay. Okay. So when we multiply, we're going to have y. So we're going to have 20 YW, which is equals to when we multiply 18 multiplied by 20, we're going to have 540. Okay, so when you multiply 18 multiplied by 20, we're going to have 540. Okay, so for us to find WY, we're going to divide both sides by 20. So WY is just going to be equals to, so this and this 0 will cancel. When you divide this into this, you have when you divide 5 divided by 2, you have what? 2, then remainder 1. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we have 27 centimeters as WY. Okay, so this is basically how we answer this particular question. Okay, so if you have got any challenges, kindly let me know through our class. Okay, now we look at our last question for today's class. In the diagram below, triangle LMN and LPQ are similar. Okay, given, so this is the triangle, given that LP is equals to 6 centimeters, PM is equals to 3 centimeters, then PQ is equals to 4 centimeters, and NQ is equals to 2 centimeters. Calculate the length of LQ. So this is the length we are taught to calculate. So in order for us to calculate, we're going to write down our equation. Okay, so we write down QM, okay, over LN, which is equals to LP over LM. Okay, so in this particular case, we are now going to substitute what we have in our question. Okay, so we don't know what LQ is, then QR LQ plus 2, okay, which is equals to LP is 6 and LM is 9. Okay, so we multiply. So we're now going to multiply. So when we multiply 9 multiplied by LQ. So 9, we're going to have 9 LQ, which is equals to when we multiply LM plus 2, so we're going to have 6 LQ multiplied plus 6 multiplied by 2 is basically going to give us 12. Okay, so plus 12, hence we're going to have, from there now we collect the like terms. So we are going to have 9 LQ, this will cross the equal sign to become negative, minus 6 LQ, which is equals to 12. Okay, then when we subtract, we get 3. We subtract 9 from 6, we get 3 LQ, which is equals to 12. Then for us to find for LQ, we divide both sides by 3. Okay, so hence LQ is just going to be equals to 4 centimeters. So basically this is our answer to this question. Okay, so this is how you answer these kinds of questions. So if you have got any clarification, any questions where you are not clear, you can let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such videos. This has been your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. Stay blessed. Thank you.